Today I'm going to show you how to get that trendy soft serve nail look. So today I'm going to be using two things. I'm going to use our tips called Marshmellow Melt, which is a short round press-on. And I want a pistachio color for our soft serve. So we're going to use a color called No Lemon No Melon. I've already put tips on two of the nails. I've used press-ons to apply them. We're going to use a soft brush. This is just a gel brush, but you can use a cheap makeup brush. You just want something that's a little softer, not too hard of a brush. And then we're gonna get out a little polish remover. We're gonna get that color, and I'm gonna just apply it over the white. And I like to do this over the white already because it makes the pistachio color stand out even more. So it's kind of doing half of the work for us. Once we get the polish on, and don't worry about how you're applying it, we're just gonna get a good amount of that polish remover on that brush. And then we're just gonna hit it and let it do the work. And then we can kind of pull up in different areas. Don't worry about this milky part that you're getting on the nail. We can clean that up. We're just worried about our little melted ombre. And we can even use some of that white to get it to come through. Once we have our look, that milky part, we can take a little more of that polish remover, kind of cleanse your brush, and then just clean it up, get rid of it where you don't want it. And there, you got the perfect little melted pistachio ice cream look. Let's do it one more time. I'm gonna flip it this way this time, and I'm just gonna put that again on that tip, get a good amount on there. Don't worry about what it looks like at this point. I like to flip it over. Now, one key thing is we're gonna hold that brush pretty flat. We don't wanna go in like this because that's gonna put divots in it. So we're gonna go pretty flat and just let that polish remover do the work for you. Blend it out where you want it. Again, don't worry about the milky. We're gonna clean that area up again, okay? Now, top coat. Top coat's gonna play key to this because sometimes top coat is what you need to kind of complete the look. It kind of melts everything into itself and it makes it look even better. Get a nice amount that's gonna seal in that polish, give us a high shine. So that's how easy it is to get that trendy soft serve look. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my nails off camera and we'll get back to you with the beauty shot.